Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check watch history on Twitter. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So, first of all you need to open your X application, here it is, and then you need to ensure you logged in your account. So after that, if you want to check your watch history, the only one way how you can do this is to first of all click on your profile image button at the top left corner, here it is. And then in this interface, scroll down a little bit and then find settings and privacy option, here it is. And then click on the first one option, your account. Then you will see 4 different options. You need to click on the third one, download an archive of your data. After that you need to wait a little bit. And then you need to log in your account. So first of all you need to enter your password, then re-enter your password, and then X application will send you a verification code. You need to click on the send code button, here it is, and then you need to check your email, so you will receive a message, and then enter your verification code, and then click on the next button at the bottom of the screen. So then you will see this interface. You need to click on the request archive button, and then you will receive a message in a few hours maybe with a zip file with all your archive data, including your watch history and other data. And that's only one way how you can check your watch history on X application. And that's all, and that's how to check watch history on Twitter. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.